Welcome to the 2026 Professional Masterclass. Have you struggled with skin irritation after waxing? Most tutorials miss one key step: hygiene. Today, I'll reveal professional techniques for smooth, long-lasting results. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these steps will transform your waxing techniques. Let's dive into Phase 1, the clinical prep. To achieve high-intent results, you need a clinical shield. First, start with a pH-balanced cleanser. This neutralizes the skin without stripping its protection. Next, apply botanical barrier oil. This creates a microscopic shield, allowing the wax to work effectively. It protects skin cells and prevents irritation. Remember, no protection means no professional wax. Moving on to Phase 2, the low pull technique. Many pull hair upward, causing breakage. Instead, pull parallel to the skin. This 0-degree angle, combined with the butterfly pattern, ensures entire bulbs are extracted. This method prevents ingrown hairs and results in a smooth finish. Now, Phase 3, the aftercare protocol. Waxing does not stop at the table. Aftercare is vital for long-lasting results. Apply a soothing aloe-based serum with tea tree oil. This keeps follicles clear and protected. Avoid heat, friction, and exfoliation for 48 hours. This is your professional gold standard for hygiene. You've now learned to achieve luxury-level waxing results. If these tips helped you, like this video. Subscribe to MTH Health for more skin health guides. Stay smooth and see you next time. Master the 0-degree parallel low pull technique. Always apply a botanical barrier oil to protect the skin. Use the butterfly pattern to navigate sensitive contours. Maintain a consistent 125-degree wax temperature lock. Follow the 48-hour no-friction aftercare protocol